How to fix Instagram. We're sorry, something went wrong on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, just turn off your Wi-Fi, then close your Instagram and turn it on again, and then restart your phone and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store. If that doesn't fix it, go to Play Store and then make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's any update here, and if you found any update, just click on it. And if that doesn't fix your problem, or you can't find any updates, now it means that you need to uninstall your Instagram and to install it again. And that's it. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe, and see you in the next video.